Hey everyone, welcome on YouTube. Today I solve another cryptarithmetic problem, that is here C equal to come. Firstly, we write all the possible carry of each column. Now here I write all possible carry of each column, and all the possible value of this carry is 0 or 1, and know that value of C is totally depend on this carry, and possible value of this carry is 0 or 1. But one things we more know that never be leftmost value never be 0. That's why we assume value of C4 is 1, and that's why we got value of C equal to 1. So here we got value of C4 equal to 1, and because of that we got value of C equal to 1. Now here we take maximum value of H, in which we add one carry to this value of H, so that we got one carry in our final output. So that here we take value of H is 9, and we add one carry to 9, that is 1, then we got 10, and in 10 we got one carry, that is 1. So here we take value of H equal to 9, and we take value of C3 equal to 1, because if we take value of C3 equal to 0, then we does not got any carry. That's why we take value of C3 is also equal to 1, and value of H equal to 9, and 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10, so that we got value of O equal to 0. Okay, now we make equation for this column. So here we write 10 into C2, that is this carry. We know that all value of H is equal to 9, so here we put value of H equal to 9 plus C1 equal to E plus 10 into C2. We know that here possible value of C1 is 0 or 1, but if we take value of C1 equal to 1, then we got R plus 10. But one things you know that when you add any value to 10, then we got same value at unit place. That is, if we add 6 to 10, then we got 6 at unit place. But here if we take value of C1 equal to 1, then we got 9 plus 10 plus R. That's why if we add R to 10, then we got R at unit place, but here E is at unit place, so that we doesn't take value of C1 equal to 1. Here we take value of C1 equal to 0. Okay, so that here we write value of C1 equal to 0. Now we put this value of C1 in this equation. We got R plus 9 equal to E plus 10 to C2. One thing's more, here possible value of R equal to is greater than, possible value of R is always greater than R equal to 2, because value 0 is also not possible because it is already occupied by O, and value 1 is also not possible because it is already occupied by 1. So we take value of R is equal to 2R greater than 2. Then what we got from this LHS value, what conclusion we got? Here we got that if we take minimum value of R, that is 2, then we got R plus 9, that is R, we put R equal to 2, that is 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Means this LHS value R plus 9 is always greater than 10. Okay, here we got one conclusion, that is r plus 9 is always greater than 10. That's why this value of this carry is always equal to 1, because r plus 9 is always greater than 1. So that we got value of this carry is equal to 1. So here we write value of C2 equal to 1. Now we update this equation, that is r plus 9 equal to e plus, here we find out value of C2 is 1, here we put, that is e plus 10. We got a equation, we call this equation as a equation. Okay. Now we make equation for this column. Okay, that is C2 plus E plus S equal to C2 plus E plus S equal to M plus 10 into C3, M plus 10 into C3. We already know that value of C2 and C3, value of C2 is 1 and value of C3 is also 1. So here we write value of C2 is 1, that is 1 plus E plus S equal to M, value of C3 is also equal to 1. So here we got M plus 10, and we know that possible value of M is always greater than or equal to 2, because 0 and 1 is not possible, because this value are already occupied. So possible value of M is always greater than or equal to 2. Then what conclusion we got from RHS? From RHS what conclusion we got, that is M plus 10 is greater than 10. Okay, so that we got 1 plus E plus S is also greater than 10, because RHS is greater than 10, then it is equal to LHS. That's why LHS is also greater than 10, that is 1 plus E plus S is also greater than 10. We got another conclusion. Okay, we assume this equation as a B equation. Okay, now we make equation for this column. So here we write E plus E equal to S plus 10 into that this carry, that is C1. We know, we already find out that value of C1 is equal to 0. So here we write 2E is equal to S plus 10 into 0, that is 0. Then we got another equation, that is C. From this equation we got another conclusion, that is 2E is always less than 10, because here in RHS there is only unit place value. So that's why we got conclusion that 2E is less than 10. Then what are the possible value of E is equal to 2, 3, 4. Now we check for each possible value. Firstly we take E equal to 2, then from equation C what we got, S is equal to 4. Now we put this value in this conclusion, that is 1 plus E plus S. Then what we got, here value of E is equal to 2 and value of S is equal to 4, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4. This value is greater than 10. 4 plus 2, that is 6 plus 7. No, this value is not greater than 10. This value is less than 10. So that value of E equal to 2 is not possible. Now we check for E equal to 3. Then we put this value in equation C. Then we got value of, this value is not possible, so we cut out. Then we equal to 2, 3, 4. This value is not possible, we check for E equal to 2. Then we put this value of E in equation C. Then we got S is equal to 6. Now we check this value in this conclusion. Then what we got, E plus 1 plus equal to 3 and S is equal to 6. Or this value is greater than 10. What? 6 plus 9 plus 10. No, it is equal to 10. It is equal to 10. So value of E is equal to 3 is also not possible. Now we take E is equal to 4. Then we put this value in equation C. We got S is equal to 8. Okay. Now we put this value in equation B. Then what we got, 1 plus E plus S. 1 plus E is equal to 4, S is equal to 8. Then what we got, 12, 13, that is M plus 10 equal to 13, then M equal to 3. That's we got M equal to 3. There is no value is overlap to each other. So we put this value in equation A. Value of E in equation A. What we got, R plus 9. R plus 9 equal to value of E is 4 plus 10. Then what we got, that is as R equal to 5. What we got, R equal to 5. Now here we write all the value, that is E equal to 4, R equal to 5, S is equal to 8. I hope you understand this lecture. So bye.